Model 1890U Reassembly. Apply white lithium grease around the valve slot inside of the cap, and then install the O-ring, spring, and valve. Install rubber bumper into the return cylinder. Apply white lithium grease around piston dry blade assembly O-ring and then install into return cylinder. Carefully install cylinder ring onto return cylinder. Note, cylinder ring must seat over the O-ring. Install complete assembly into nailer body, guiding the drive blade into the joint guider slot and firmly pressing the cylinder ring to seat into body casting. Install cap gasket, cap, and 4 cap screws using a 4mm Allen wrench. Turn stapler over and install the safety lever, lifting up on the spring-loaded linkage. Install nose cover and relatch.